Welcome back to the channel. In a previous video we got to the bottom of the ignition problem and we managed to get a spark. We are now going to fit the carbs and get it started. I'm just going to wheel it outside as it's a possible fire risk and it does smoke and smell a bit. After a lot of faffing around, I realised a bit of choke would be a good idea. So this is me turning over the bike for a long period of time before I realised that I'd run out of fuel. Still unaware that I've run out of fuel, I decided to check the spark plugs. I'm using a very small wire brush on a drill to clean all the debris around the spark plug because it's been left outside for a long time and there's a lot of crud that's built up on it. And then I'm blowing all the debris away with a small kind of garden vac. You don't want to let all that debris fall inside the cylinder bores. Toby's come to see what's going on. So with a little bit of choke and a piece of string as a throttle, and of course some fuel, we get better results. now that it runs, I can probably just strip it down and start the project. Just going to throw these exhausts on, see if it sounds a little bit different. I don't think they're the correct ones, to be perfectly honest. Okay, so I've mocked up a mole grips because I haven't got a gear selector. I'm just going to see if it'll run through the gears. And it's at this point my camera decided to freeze. It keeps doing that a lot lately, I'm not sure why. But the bike did go through all the gears. Okay, whilst we're playing around starting bikes, I thought I'd chuck the carbs back on the 550, and I've loosely put the exhaust on. It might be a little bit noisy because I haven't got the copper washers in there. I'm just going to start it up, see how it runs. I did have it kind of running when I bought it, but it wasn't running great and the carbs were filthy. I'm just going to wheel it outside just in case it catches fire. Okay, let's see what we got. Hang on, my throttle has just disconnected itself. Okay, go again. Okay, that's good. At least I know both of them are running. Now I'm going to do a compression test.